Mabilisan lang yung paglatad ni Kuya dyan ah.
Let's make a video.
May hangin-hangin yan.
Truly, my video. Entertainment. Yo.
Yan. Ang ganda ng truck mga kasuwa, no?
Okay.
Yung mga ano, yung mga tao. Ni Kuya dyan, Kuya. Nagpapakit na naman si Kuya dyan sa camera. Ayos talaga.
Mecca, what the?
Oo yun, ano?
Look at that.
Yan yung araw mga kasuwa, no?
Let's make a video. Okay.
Mag-iitin na naman, Kuya dyan.
Bro.
Hindi ka na pag-Muslim.
Bro. Let me make a video. Two.
Masasayang yung ano mong ginagamit yung Kuya dyan ba? Bakit Kuya dyan ba?
What are you doing slow?
Okay. Okay ano na yun? Bali bukas mga sagwan, hindi pala namin nilita yung ano, shout out. Bali
No, we're gonna net.
shout out bago magpandaw. Kuya dyan. Kalimutan natin kanina Kuya dyan, ano? Bali bukas na lang tayo ano, mag-shout out.
No.
Sige.
Oh. Done. Oh, he didn't even to the hospital. What? I heard you.
Kasi dyan sila ano, kumakain sa mga may bato. Naghahanap ng pagkain. Sige. Oo. Siguro mga stress pala nito. Yun, legit na po ko siya yung drop. Ikutan natin yung ano dito. Dalang pasilyan. Nandiyan yung sa gitna. Mga isang kalahating di pa, no? Mga isang di pa lang, ano? Sobra. Kapas yung isang kuwan. Oo. Sana certain tayo bukas pag isang kuwan. Para masaya na naman si Kuya dyan bukas. Yun. Okay. Mga viewers natin dyan na nakikita, may masag.
Ew.
Oo. Ubus kasi nung namin, aluminum. Kaya yung aluminum na gawin. Madali lang yung aluminum sa mga balaktot.
No, I'm gonna throw you to the trash. Okay.
Pwede na.
The boy was very excited, so he ran downstairs.
No, you idiot. Oh my gosh. Okay, we have to, go right here. You know what? Just extinguish the present when you get over there. Oh, I'm over here. Okay, let's go, guys. Where am I?
Lila, lila, lila. Lila, 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 lila.
Finding their life.
Now your turn.
Wait, what?
Twin pumpkin.
I've been watching you for a while.
Lila, lila, la.
You know, it was someone in that seat, that exact seat you were sitting in. He was the mayor. And I killed him. Shot him right in the head. The same. And no one still hasn't caught me. And I'm thinking about doing this. Mr. President. Dude, don't do this. Oh, but why not? You took everything.
Chicken house,
from
Steven
me.
is out.
You banned all people playground people to come to Melon Playground. So you but I don't want to die, dude. Please. I really think about killing you because I can. It's so simple. Just pull the trigger and kill you.
Good job.
But I want you to do something for
The
me
end.
before you die.